Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
That's the part you like for the song.
Yes, I love that part. I love the part, seriously. Yes, if I just follow and I know say this one on every evening tonic on top Wazobia TV. This make it for the last night the show what we call Bobo Yarn. And you know say regularly with the same relationship, and we done the same relationship since 2014, and we don't be consistent and very stable on top of them. Now, you know, say regularly I know if we day alone without this men them, I know we ever day alone. But one thing don't even happen to us over the weekend for Abuja. If you never know, if you never hear them, make you hear them now, live and direct. I am about to introduce to you the latest, the hottest peace ambassador in our country, Mr. Shaka.
Comedian of the year.
Comedian of the year.
Thank you. You tried, but you still fail.
Why did I
you start by saying, Your Excellency, His Excellency, Peace Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so Comedian of the Year 2015-2016. So come again. His Excellency. So you cannot just be excellency.
You are a violent excellency.
You are very violent.
You are a violent
peace ambassador. You are a violent peace ambassador. You don't want peace to reign in this country. I've been in charge of peace now. You don't want peace to reign. Okay, no problem.
So you are a peace ambassador, but you want to show me. You want to show me your violent side.
Peace, because the people Lagos State government picked to do last month. To be arrested, they are former Agboru. Because you need.
You have a point there.
Yes,
I want to say.
So come and keep
most
peace.
times when they call, when they give peace. Now when they troublesome people, when they cause problem for the society.
Because you know exactly how to keep peace.
No, if you always, it's the best way to just tell them say keep quiet.
Okay, please, ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the latest, His Excellency, the one and only Peace Ambassador and Comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 2015-2016, His Excellency MC Shaka.
Thank you.
Well, congratulations. We are very happy for you.
No. It's a good thing.
I am very proud to,
it's a good thing. I'm proud to be associated with you.
All my years of grooming you and showing you the way.
Well, I've decided we should celebrate.
It has happened.
I decided
that we should
fill up our case.
With what?
To fill up our case.
With what?
With our usual.
What's our usual?
You can't say we are celebrating.
We say you should pop champagne. You cannot pop champagne.
You are
a poor excellency.
No champagne company
has
sponsored my sitting in this
We will have covered it.
Until they sponsor, they will still know that this is a trend. Until they sponsor. You people, now I'm supposed to pop one of you now. All you people be big drink company. You will not come and sponsor. Continue drinking.
We are getting them. Very
soon. We'll get them.
But I want to greet my people too because you don't think I greet them. And you know, these days that I see myself, they enter that kind of motivational, inspirational. This is so. I've been see one thing I come write down. I say everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. So I just say, is there somebody you're watching me there? You know, just put your hand on that TV screen. I'm ministering to you. That's all I want to say. If it's not okay now, it's not yet the end. It will be okay very soon.
It shall always be okay. Now, matter what ones where we took I put on top today, now something we don't really talk about. But on our way there, still they send us messages plenty, say, make we still revisit this issue. Then why we don't come again today, make we revisit the issue. Waiting be those ingredients where go make your relationship sweet. That not the matter we won't talk about again today because we don't talk about them before. But we don't talk say make we chook mouth because we not really go deep into them. Now I don't bring my men back again. Waiting be those ingredients where you feel say go make your relationship sweet. That not the matter what I want to make we talk about. Now we talk of gifts, we talk of but I believe say for me, I go say majorly time they very essential for relationship too.
First of all, I'll say money. You know, so they start really talking and so, you know, it's the major ingredient.
It's a major ingredient.
Money.
If you want cook soup,
I agree with Jakara.
If you want cook soup, you know the role of money for
they say
soup.
Better soup.
Now
I want to describe all those things now. Like ingredient. Now, if ingredient we can't make ingredient be the things. Like you call, what you first call Nana?
Gifts.
Time. Time Phoebe, normal time for stew.
But they say time now, but
then other gift, Phoebe, all those spice, all those kind of things. I for say Maggi, but Maggi na brand, so I don't want to call brand name.
They are all seasoning.
They are all seasoning. Now money, you know the role of money inside pot of soup. Now water.
Why water? Why no be meat?
Which meat?
Why no be meat? Water is cheap.
See, let me tell you, you know why? Because you cannot cook any soup without water. But you can cook any soup. Let me tell you.
Shakara, I want to prove you wrong.
Okay.
Water, you are going very right.
Yes, now.
But water is love. Water is that wait now. Without water, you know, we first think of how you want first start to cook, you understand?
Yeah, that tell you.
So that water now, and for you, anybody to say, I want to cook for Shakara as a babe, there must be love.
Okay, for ingredients, water no be money, water na love.
Water no be money,
ingredients.
Water na love
no.
For the ingredients.
So, no, it's still the correct. If you talk say water na money, water na love.
Water na love.
Still the
The money, now be that meat, stockfish, all those things.
All the dry fish.
Jokingly, you know, for my place, it get soup where they cook without water. I'm not joking here. Watch, with palm oil, that they use.
There's no love in that soup.
That soup, let me tell you, that soup.
Any soup that has no water, there's no love.
Let me tell you, that soup, no, they enter fire. No, fire.
That soup down.
I know one soup, and you get one soup for my town.
They'll put oil for this thing, roast fish, put comb, you know.
There's one where I know for my town. There's one I know for my town, and where they use fire.
They put crayfish, everything.
But they must put water because that one, no matter how they do it.
Small water.
Crayfish, the fresh pepper, the fresh onions. You come pound and you understand. When you don't pound that, you just put hot water small. You understand? By the time you mix them, if you use fufu, chop that thing there.
This one safe, they put small water. That
water is the love.
Make we come look, I'm okay. We don't talk of money, we don't talk of time, we don't talk of gifts. But now another thing again where I dey look we go make your relationship they sweet. Now if you dey adventurous, if you that kind of person, be say you dey bringing new things into your relationship.
Before you go to adventurous, I agree with that your point about time. And I feel like time
is very essential.
I feel like time to communication.
If you give your babe time every time you deal with her, you make her happy, and you know they give her money. You just where the relationship wants you to go.
No, one of the ingredients. Yes, we agree with you.
But
money is there.
Even if you dey give babe money,
you get some relationships.
You know they be around them.
We don't need money. You get like for instance now, I get one friend. Why I even call time? Where I want link out with communication. I don't always tell and say, for your mind, you feel say you be my girlfriend or something, but me and you know they too talk. You don't always tell me, say you busy, you dey Dubai today, tomorrow you dey here. So, obviously now, me, as a man now, where I dey look from my own point of view now, I can't fool myself and say that girl is my girlfriend. You understand? Because when once there's no time, when person feel they say, I dey communicate with you, anybody where you love, there's no way. You must always find time.
You almost find time.
This time one at the top. Now this time, that one get worry me, say, Shakara, you're always going out. Every time going out, you don't give me time. You don't give me your time. Today, you're not going there. I need your time. I say, okay, you need my time.
Take what? Use
it, take. Let me go. Just take.
Open. She needs more than your time.
I bet we sharply go streets. Make we do go for streets. When we come back, we go see they talk the matter. They go. Not go anywhere.
Time na money.
Not go anywhere.
Time na money.
Time na money.
Wetin dey make relationship sweet be say
love,
you must be sincere to your partner.
as in when you are kind,
Self-control.
when you are friendly.
You keep the love steady.
The major ingredient is when you are being kind.
You don't take decision on your own. Whatever you want to do, you need to let your wife know. I want to do this thing, so that you shouldn't take her on away when the things happen. She must know, so that she can contribute to it for good. Because sometimes if you do on your own, it's like you don't love her, and really you don't love her. Any man that take decision on her own doesn't love the wife. Because if you love your wife, you must let your wife know what is going on, must explain to her what you want to do. She too, she will contribute towards it for good.
Yes, una welcome back. Now still Bobo Yarn una dey watch on top Wazobia TV. If you just join us today, we dey talk about wetin be those ingredients wey you feel say go make relationship dey sweet? That na the matter wey dey talk about. And I have my men, the peace ambassador, His Excellency, FC Shakara, and Showman inside bar.
The real confirmed peace ambassador.
Now,
you don't need to begin.
I dey look am towards this direction. I believe say another thing again wey go make your relationship sweet.
You mentioned that adventure.
Yeah. Another thing where I feel say go make your relationship sweet again and say if you show your woman say you dey faithful. Faithfulness again.
And how you want to show
and then there's this very ingredient that is not very common in this part of the world. But it's very necessary. They make relationships sweet. They make a couple or couples, as the case may be, bring them closer. You see that going out of your comfort zone. We both call it holiday. But we not take them too far to holiday safe. Even if you there for a particular time, there are places that, you know, not be like, we know that word,
I know what you're trying to say.
Yes.
So, but may I tell you if I want to put that in one word, which will be the problem of Nigeria, most Nigerian men, now romance. Most Nigerian men are not romantic. All those when they say go holiday,
go holiday, all those things.
I don't when are the alcohol weddings, and they tell them, how many of these men they really kiss their wife? Oh yeah, hold your wife kiss. You go see most Nigerian men, we don't really, they go be like, you know that kind of thing. Man, Nigerian men don't just see their girlfriend or their wife for road. Hold on. Kiss him. You understand?
So that means say PDA. We don't really like PDA for.
It's not only about PDA. It's about romance. There are different ways of being romantic. You understand?
Of course.
There are plenty ways. But even for a Nigerian song, if you hear Nigerian song, you will clearly know say we don't sabi romance.
Meanwhile, most of these men. Some they spend more money for other things.
Because you
for
really spend that money.
You understand?
Most people use money as romance. You understand? Like romance. Money. Yes. Because so, Nigerian girls too, if you carry flower, say you come back from your work, and you say, may you buy flower for Nigerian girl.
From you.
She go first come
that's
say,
the language. That's the language. That's the language you understand.
But you see, let me tell you one thing. It's not about the flower. It's about the fact that person first think of you as they come your house. Because most Nigerian men, like Sakara, I know if they call your house, he's thinking of cracking. Straightforward to cracking. You know who go. So for you to branch.
Your example.
No, I know men that can branch and bright flower.
You were talking right.
Right. Because I can't use you now.
You can't get everything wrong.
No,
because you never know me.
When last buy flower for any girl? When last did you buy?
I want to go buy flower. Where other things they like ugu. You know? No joke. That is Oyibo. See, no Oyibo now they show love. They buy flower. They light spend all these things. Well, see, let's be African. Let's do our things.
Which are the lie?
But you know bad now. Okay, wait. What, for example now, Shakara, for example now, you know bad if you just wake up on weekend, say, okay, make you and your chick just take the weekend out. Make una go one resort, go chill them. Maybe your chick go buy something before she come back. You don't light candles inside the room. You don't put red roses everywhere.
Sometimes,
you use red roses on top your bed.
Sometimes, like the adventure you said, sex must not be regular.
Meanwhile,
you flower, you can pour flower on your. Will you pour ugu on your bed?
All these things,
all these red petals on your bed.
No be say we Nigerian men no really want to. There's no time. This is the only part, especially in Lagos. Abuja is becoming like that too. We are always short of time. The time we go they buy the do arrange other things don't go. For example now. Our Lagos roads now. Small roads, not even only Lagos, everywhere. Small road, traffic there inside. You and your wife drive it somewhere. Which time you want come down, turn around.
I can give
what
you
they
tips.
open
I can,
door for
you
her.
can open
no,
door.
you go cause traffic.
No.
You understand?
But Sakara, let me tell you,
there
are other times that your wife can understand that moment when you don't feel come down. We know.
But
let me tell you, there are men that will tell anybody, sorry if you can beep, F the traffic. You come down from your car and
if the day where you go
if your car stop, how many minutes does it take you to come down?
But if other Nigerians see say your car no spoil, you actually come down
to open the door. Do you know what they will think? Do you know what they will think? No, they will cost you at first, but later they will start saying, somebody will think, say,
this is a good gesture,
and then you are known.
And you are known man. That's a good gesture, and you will not hear woman apart from anywhere. Woman apart. Come on,
But really, you know say, I go put and say, and this thing when you talk, say Nigerian men know they really know they romantic.
Really, I know
Now
romantic.
something where we say I don't really see. How many Nigerian men they call up their wives or their babes, tell them say I love you on top phone? It dey hard for some people.
Many,
It dey hard.
Now young people they say I love you.
young marriage.
Even the young people now
It dey
these
hard.
days, most men don't believe. Say young guys now. I mean, when once money is involved, I can take care of your shopping.
You know?
I'm giving you. I know guys when they place their girlfriend on salary. They place them 300K every month.
But
you understand? There is no time to start telling you I love you.
With a quick day used to something. Many people are too used to their wife quickly. You know, you don't get used to them say, okay, no, it's my wife. You know, that
Because
no get problem. You never hear many men when they talk that thing.
Yeah.
They use that they boast too. They'll say they'll just they out the chat.
Yeah.
You know, you're just like. This one way see that side, man. My wife no get problem.
There are some men that we don't they able to feel contain their wife. Their wife don't understand their lifestyle. Even before they marry, they were always this guy was always hanging out before he marry you. So they understand.
But should we really relax? Like for example, now let me say I'm married now. Woman understanding, she don't care whether I did out 3 days, all those kind of things.
No.
Then I come the then she come say Sunday ask you. Hope you enjoy yourself well. You know,
You wait till you're out for 3 days.
Out for 3 days. Why? Why would
Your
you
wife.
wait for 3 days?
some men they do them now.
Your wife.
They say their wife no get problem. No, my woman,
No,
you no get problem.
That
Yeah,
one
but
he's
it's obviously
he's heading for disaster.
Obviously, it's
At the end
creating
of it,
place
he's
where
heading
you want
for-
to go cheat.
Yes, he's
first.
heading for disaster.
And the wife to one
He's heading
day,
for
she
disaster.
said must correct somewhere.
She
But
know they
I
show
want
you
to ask
anger.
this question,
Many days they
I
know
beg,
they show you
leave.
anger.
And that's worse. I fear people when they talk.
Let me say they quiet.
The wife when they tell you anything,
Now
they
be the
tell you
worst
say
thing.
you know what they do outside there.
Some
See,
people call you. You know they come, Abi.
Look,
Enjoy
Shakara,
yourself. Bye.
Shakara, in a full day, you understand? Where you've spent like from morning till maybe night outside without your wife, it is enough. Say when you go back house, that few hours when you go there with your wife is enough. Even if you know say now 2 a.m. you dey go back house, 3 we know say we know they go back house early most times. Your wife understands when you come, either she don't sleep or she don't wake. Or she don't even join you where you hang out. Anyone. But to say you want to leave your house, when even now you can't even leave your house.
We are going very deep.
No, it's
But
not
should
even
we
that.
not-
Time
should we
is the
not-
major part.
Should we not just work on the weakness, see them as weakness, either than see it as advantage? Say the woman know they get problem. You understand?
It's not a weakness.
I don't really think
it is a problem that
Because
the man
she's
does
comfortable.
not. That's what I'm saying. See, anything when they take.
So why is it a problem when
Let
she's
me tell you what the
comfortable? That's why I say it's a
problem-
weakness.
Let me tell you what the problem.
It's not.
Let
I
me
would
tell
say
you what
the
the
woman
problem
is just trying to avoid issues.
Let me tell you what's the problem. If you love something, anything where you love, you always want the thing to always be around you. Now, most times, when a woman don't really say, okay, this is a lifestyle where you want to choose, and she don't get used to this particular one, if she finds that there's something where that woman they do, some women Candy Crush alone, game, African Magic, and the rest can be enough for them because if you dey house, you want watch football. If you dey house, call go one day. If you dey house, one day, she prefer.
So that is a very good solution
To the problem.
But one thing where I won't really look at again and say, if wives they comfortable with the fact that your husband go out, is either or make I put it like this: if you be that kind of person, say you always come out regularly before you marry, you be hangout kind of person. Yes, your wife understands that. Then I believe what you should do is try and create a balance between your lifestyle and that of your wife. And come in between and accommodate your wife inside that lifestyle where you get.
You say,
it not go make sense if you come up from
I'm
house.
feeling very hot.
Where you go for a very long time, you get. Where you come up for a very long time.
It boils down. Everything we don't hear now, they still boil down to the fact say time. They very key even than the money.
Of course,
because
it's very, very important.
That time, most time when you say you they feel say you want to give your wife all that space. It's a problem. There's a void where the other person life.
We have what's the difference between time and communication?
May we do Sisi? What we do Sisi opinion? When we come back, we go
know the difference between time and communication.
Not go anywhere.
I'll
Now
give
see
it to
Bobo's
you.
Yarn. Not go anywhere. We dey come back.
Na love na.
Wetin dey make love sweet be say you and your boyfriend dey, so your boyfriend go dey call you, you go dey call your boyfriend to know how una dey do things. Just do something smart so that the boyfriend no go feel bad or the girl will not feel bad?
1, sex. You get trust for the person. You know they cheat on the person. No much quarrel between the both of you now.
2 is feeling. Then 3, understanding. 4, kindness.
Love, you know, caring. I think the person go they care for you, know. At some time person go call you, go call the person. I think those are the things now where they make relationship they go.
Yes, so now welcome back. Nancy Bobo Yarn on top Wazobia TV. Una don that one, una just see so now with the cause see opinion where our women them gas talk on top the matter of today. If you just join us, matter what they talk about, Nancy, wetin be those ingredients where you need to put inside your relationship to make it sweet than at the matter what they talk about.
Okay,
now, you
before
mean talk the
break,
difference between time and communication.
Because I won't put on to showman.
I will answer you now.
Say in case I know they come house on time. I know they even get my way, but wherever I call her, you know. So am I giving her a time?
Now there are 3 things where I will carry as necessary ingredients where every relationship, whether from the courtship or the friendship to the any one stage, time, money, communication. These 3 things for me equals to love. Time, they say, no matter if whether you like, you give the girl money and you communicate.
So stop coming where is love here?
I said time.
You said 3.
Listen,
major
I
things
said time.
that will make good relationship. Where is care?
Well.
Even that
I
girl
said
mentioned
time,
4.
money, and communication is equals to love. That without that you cannot all these 3 things. No. Then they really. I'm coming. Let me finish now.
It's not equals to love.
I'm coming. That's my.
Because there are people that won't love you, but
that's my school of thought. Listen to me.
They're always around you.
Listen to me.
They don't even care.
If you say, I'm not talking about any negative part now. Person will say you don't love you when they're around you, you get mission. If you say you love somebody, these 3 things are very essential. You must give time, you must give money, because there's no romance without finance. There's no how you want to make it. There's communication. Now to answer your question about time and communication, you can be forming that you are giving someone time, and you me and God of me and my babe day house. We sit down every 24 hours. We watch TV. But there's no communication. You know that some girls, the way you don't even know, today one girl called me, where I don't date for how many years, leave her a long time ago. They tell me, say,
no, don't bother picking.
He say, wait till your last name, you understand? I will shock, you understand? Even I can't forget her last name. So you see, most times, you go give thinking person all the time. And most times, when men they give time, they only give that time because the end products now cracking. In your mind, I just. But
how long?
But really, you know, say the thing with me, I look again. I say when it comes to communication in a relationship, it get level where they reach for relationship where we say it's either you find out that your babe don't really sabi communicate well with you, or you will be guy.
There are various ways of communication.
Sure, you get.
There are various ways.
Like we never even talk about exposure of spouses. You know,
but
many people. No, they make
that
relationships sit down well.
That one a personal
it's part of the. No, it's not. It's no. Listen, maybe you don't get me right. Like now, I get girl. Once I don't bring her come, show Ugo, say Ugo, I might get with this. Or my friends, my people, anybody where they important to me, to know her. She go to feel the relationship go they more, you understand? More stronger. But if I just keep her one place, she just know only my junior brother.
Now there are rules.
You understand?
There are rules and rules. I think you're at rule 11 or so where they talk and say, you see, we understand about exposure, try to introduce your babe. But in the guy code rule, never you expose your girl to your friend when you have not cranked her. You have to be very sure first. There are men like you that if I introduce my girl to immediately, I'm telling you, your friendship can scatter. I'm advising you now. I don't carry girl go table before. When I did university, carry girl go table, go sit down. The girl leave me to correct another person. I made a mistake. It's not to branch to God.
Because you have your own weakness.
No, I am telling you. Let me tell you why.
If you're very strong,
let me tell you.
solid guy,
You have not
it will not happen.
Let me tell you. Every girl gets who he like. He owns spec. Most likely, she will not crank you because of say you get pink lips when she first see you, or you get money. Then you can come where she go meet one chairman. Where hold it pass you, where fine pass you, where come on man, you go lose her. Don't blame her. She just met her spec, which you introduce her to. It's simple as short. After all,
but really, see guys, let's even face facts. I believe to make your relationship very, very sweet, I believe time is the first thing you need to give.
Very key.
Time is very key.
Anything you don't give time to,
like
you
really,
you start
if you are giving time into it,
the one that take this time serious.
No, time covers everything.
That they put her for pot, cook, chop.
Now time, they cover everything because when you give time,
they say,
now you go to give money.
They say say time that money inside time.
Money
now where you go find caring. You go find exposure. I'm coming.
Everything.
You exposure to carry girl out, show your friends. They inside time.
Now time.
If you don't get time. And most times, me and you as guys know say we fit get like 3 to 5 girls now. I'm coming, we know say we like. You understand? But out of those 5 girls, there's one where most of you they always like carry go events. You are giving that one waiting time.
Make I describe waiting how marriage even take the start. You know say your presence they no even too matter for marriage. Watch on a Friday she dey disturb you. Are you ready? No, it's time for Thursday. We know we are going to the court. Court wedding. Yeah. Are you ready? She dey worry you. No, go. On Saturday, on Friday, I mean traditional wedding. Baby, you're not ready. Oh yeah, now do quick. Now let's go. She dey worry you. On Saturday, the main wedding. Oh yeah, now main wedding. Let's go. On Sunday, Thanksgiving. On Monday, she will not even wake you. When you say she know you are not too important again because everything. So not be your presence. I say not be your presence. What the woman really wants. Make she just get the conviction say you love her.
Yeah.
You understand?
Hey, but
and
the only way you can show the
wait. How can you show love if you don't
show love now to most girls?
That's going to do with
in Nigeria. It's no. We're not saying stay with her every day is not time.
One at this time. One at
no, stay with her every time is not time.
Convince a woman that
let me explain to you what time is.
Convince a woman.
Let me explain to you what time is.
For
instance now, your girl now get something where she want to do. Maybe you want birthday or maybe one event. You don't even go with them, you understand? To create and to attend one wedding with them, which they tell you since. Most guys don't go out with their girls at all. They don't want to be able to.
You love. Now she will tell her friends.
That's what I'm saying. You see, inside that love, inside now, time shows love. Communication shows love. Money shows love.
As Imoni day now, in why we call they say, I have not seen him. He didn't follow me to my friend's wedding.
But he has one major ingredient.
What are you saying?
Let me tell you something.
I'm dealing with let
me tell you something. Before I wrap up, I was talking at what do you call it? Two Faces event 45. And I'm with somebody at the top, we know them Two Face more, like I do.
I thought you were giving a speech on the show.
I'm coming, no. And I now ask the guy, I call the tell the guy, say, I like these people, this couple. Say they date together, they can do everything together, peaceful. The guy tell me one thing. I tell her, I would like marry something like, they're going to say, first and foremost, as a guy, you must hold your side. Two baba holdings. No matter anything way you understand. Even when if you don't give her time. Oh boy, when you hold your side, like the names you mentioned, you understand? And you can provide all.
Time.
You are coming back.
So Shapa, give me 2 ingredients to go make relationships sweet. Just 2.
Yes, money, communication.
Show one.
We said it all now. For me, love equals to time, money, and communication. These 3.
For me, basically, I will tell you what they out there. Say the best things what you're going to need to do now to set your priorities right. Give time to your relationship and do the right thing.
Don't forget cranking,
Please,
it's very key.
Cranking, it is key.
It is inside time and communication. In fact, cranking is inside time and communication.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.